Math Standard 7.sp.c.8. Samantha gathered the following information on a given day at the dog park. There are 32 dogs playing at the dog park. So for this activity, you will simply complete this table. So it says here there are 32 dogs playing at the dog park. So that's going to be the total right here, 32 dogs. 15 of the dogs are puppies. So 15 of the dogs are puppies, dogs that are puppies, so total is 15 right here. 11 of the dogs are not puppies, and have long hair. Dogs with long hair, so this will be 11 right here. Now next, there are 6 more dogs that have long hair than dogs that do not have long hair. So we talk about these two right here. So it says here 6 more dogs that have long hair. So all we have to do is to subtract 32 by 6. So 32 subtract by 6, which is equal to 26. And then 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13. Alright, so this one is 13 right here, and then we will go back to the 6, so 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. So this will be 19 right here, and we can verify that 19 plus 13 is 32. Alright, next. So we can complete the table. So that is equal to 32, so we can just simply subtract 32 minus 15 is equal to 17. So this is 17 right here. Alright, and then on the other side we can just subtract 19 minus 11. So that is equal to what? 8. So this is 8 right here. Now this is the total. We can just simply subtract 17 minus 11, and that is equal to 6. Alright, then the last one is 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8, that is equal to 7. So this is the final answer. 8, 7, 15, 11, 6, 17, 19, 13, and 32.